Hi, so I'm going to give a quick demo of my envelope method budget app that has been refactored to use some JavaScript for a couple of pages. I'm going to log in as Fred. So this is one of the pages that has been modified to use JavaScript. This is Fred's account page. And normally you would need to go to the expenses page to see all of Fred's expenses. But from the account page, you can now click on this link. This is list your expenses here, and this will use Ajax to populate a list of expenses. And you can see that it did a fetch. And if we go pick on an expense, just note Fred has 5 expenses. This page has also been modified to use some Ajax. If I want to go to the next expense, it will render this row again using Ajax. So you can, I kept the console log so you could see this is the index of Fred's expenses. So it's only going to go through Fred's expenses. It's not going to go through anybody else's. And we're on index 0. Which would be expense 2. And if we click next, it moves to the next expense for Fred, which is 7. And it will go all the way through until it comes back to the beginning. And then if we want to make a new expense for Fred, the old way when you click to create expense, it would bring you back to your expenses page and it'd say expense added. But now if you create an expense, it will add it to the bottom of this existing page, and I can continue to make expenses. I put a reset in there so that it will let you do more than one. So I believe that is all the JavaScript functionality that I built. So there was creating a new expense, viewing an index of expenses on a user show page. So this qualifies for both the showing an index and then the has many relationship. And this is rendering an individual expense automatically.